Assalamu alaikum class 6 in your science video, and we are going through with the chapter electrical circuits, page number 50. In our last video we have discussed about circuits and current and voltages, and today in this video we are going to discuss about circuits, series circuits, parallel circuits and resistance. And in resistance we will also discuss about fuse. So firstly start with the series circuits. So electricity has only one path way to flow alone in series circuits, and all the components are joined together in a line. So these are called series circuits. If we want to add more bulbs or other components, so it will make it more difficult for current to flow. So any bulbs in the circuit will be dimmer in series circuit. Now let's talk about parallel circuits. So electric circuits that provide more than one pathway for electricity to flow are called parallel circuits. Means electricity has more than one path to flow along. The current is not the same at all places in a parallel circuit. This is because the current splits at the junction in the circuit. So different currents can flow in parallel pathways, then they join up again. Parallel circuits are used in our homes to supply devices with the electricity they require to work. Devices such as lamps, radios, washing machines and vacuum cleaner can be connected to the circuit at any point. The great advantage of using parallel circuits is that they allow each device to have its own switch so that it can be switched on and off without affecting the others. The parallel circuits above can be extended as necessary. More and more devices can be added to it. So in our homes, electric sockets are arranged in circuits called ring mains. There are probably several separate ring mains in your home. So devices can be plugged into the sockets at any point on each ring. Notice that a ring main has an extra wire. This is called the earth wire and is there for safety. Next we have the topic resistance on page number 62, and all materials have a resistance to the flow of electricity through them, and some have a higher resistance than others, and thin wire has a higher resistance than thick wire. For example, the higher the resistance, the greater the chance that the wire will get hot, burn and melt. So basically what is resistance? Resistance is the opposition force that a substance offers to the flow of electric current. So resistance is measured in units called ohms. And resistance wires and fuses. Now I have to introduce the new word fuse. Fuses are made of different thickness of wire for different uses, and they are labeled or rated in amperes. For example, a 5 ampere fuse will only allow a current of 5 ampere to flow through it before it blows. So fuses are very important for the safe operation of devices connected to main electricity. An electrical device is protected by a fuse in the plug. So resistance in wires can be put to good use in electrical circuits, especially in the home, and a piece of specially chosen wire called a fuse can be put into a circuit so that it melts before the connecting wires. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.